Hello everyone. So today we are going to be going on a hike. It's not going to be any hike though. No. It's going to be a hike on a mountain. If you didn't know, I go to Arizona State University and there's this thing that we have called a mountain. We whitewash it during the year. It's painted gold, basically to represent our school. I've been here for like a year. Haven't been there yet. But we're going to be going on that hike finally. I'll take you guys with me. I'll record it. And it's going to be a lot of fun. Alright, we made it. Time to begin this. I don't think it's going to be that difficult, but it's going to be fun. The cool thing about going on these hikes on these mountains is that you can draw and like color anything you want on these rocks. See, for instance, there's love Haley, hello, peace love. That's a penis. Now to answer a few questions. How does it feel to be here? I can only think of one word to describe it. Extravagant. It just feels amazing. I mean, the views are awesome. There's a squirrel over there and a naked man, but that's okay because it's extravagant. You also may be asking, what does it smell like up here? It smells like pride and accomplishment, with a hint of marijuana. And lastly, what kind of things can you assume to find around here? Well, I'm going to show you. Alright, that's the end of the video. If you like this video, make sure to comment down below, leave a like, don't forget to subscribe. Love you all. Peace.